In AutoCAD, big sized files are a huge problem for the users. It will lag while executing the command, it will take a long time to save, and it will lag while using copy and move commands. If you are facing this problem, you are in the right place. I will going to tell you the 4 different commands and methods to reduce the file size of AutoCAD. Please stay with me till the end. First one is Overkill. It will help us to delete the overlap objects. I will create one rectangle here and I will add some lines over this. Now here we are having 3 objects, one rectangle and 2 lines. This is a line and this is a rectangle. So now I will use a overkill command here, overkill, and I will select this object and I will press enter. Select all these checkbox and click OK. Now here you can notice we are having only one rectangle. Here we don't have a line. So this overlapped object is deleted. This will help us to reduce our CAD file. Second one is a purge command. Before using the command, I will show you the layer property manager. These are the n number of layers here created. And next I will show you the block. Here the n number of blocks are listed here. I will go for a purge command now. PU and click enter. Here you will get this user interface. Here select all the items and select these 5 boxes and click on purge all. Click on purge all checked items. It will take some time. Now everything is purged. Click on non-purgeable items. Select blocks. Nothing is here. Here only this much we are having. Now click on close. Check the layer property manager once. Here you are having limited layers and also the blocks. Only we are having used blocks list here. Remainings are deleted. Like this we can reduce the file size by frequent use of purge command. Third one is XREF. I will show you the XREF tool palette here. Here I have attached 3 images, but second one is an unreferenced image. Please delete all unreferenced images or a drawing files. Anything is there which is showing unattached, please detach that. It will definitely reduce the file size. And also I will recommend you, if you are pasting any CAD drawing to the open sheet, don't copy paste it. Please attach that drawing because it will definitely reduce the file size by comparing copying it to the CAD and attaching it as a reference. It is better to attach it as a reference instead of directly copy pasting and increasing the file size. Fourth one is a right block command. By this we can create a block of the selected object with a new file. Go for the right block command W and click enter. Specify the pick point and select the object, and here select the destination of the file and name the file and click OK. Now I will check a file size. This is the first file. Go to the properties. This file size is 1.45 MB. And this is the second file. I'll check the properties. 34.8 KB file size. This is how we can reduce the file size in AutoCAD. These are the 4 important commands and the feature of AutoCAD which help us to reduce the file size and maintain a smooth working in CAD.
Thank you for watching till the end. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get a best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.